Hello guys. In this video I'm talking about most useful 10 CDM command which everyone should know. It's very important for everybody. Using this command you can find all the system information. You can check your system file. This command show your scheduled tasks. Using this command you can change your file attributes. Using this command you can fix your file association. This command helps you to find your internet protocol configuration. Using this command, you can get the network statistics. Here you can find a lot of options. Whatever you want to see, just right there. Here you can find a lot of options. Whatever you want to see, just right there. If you want to crack Google.com, you can crack it by using this code. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.